Okay, Jerry Service Center here again. So today we're working on our Ranger, doing our timing. Okay, so changing the timing chain and the guides. So let me show you where it works with. The timing chain usually makes noise after 100 to 150. Sometimes it gives you a little, well, it does give you a little rattling sound. It could affect the performance of the vehicle in terms of power and acceleration and stuff, depending on how much the chain wear. So the front of the engine, you have to remove all the fans, the belts and the pulleys, and they have a big cover, right? So when you remove the cover, this is the cover here. That's called the timing cover. It carries a seal in the front here, which is called the front crankshaft seal, that has to be changed. Seal over the whole cover. This is the timing chain. You have to replace that, and it works with a tensioner. What the tensioner does, this is the tensioner here. You can see we put on a new tensioner. It pushes oil and push out this thing called the guide. When you push it out, it pushes against the chain and the chain gets tight. So again, oil pressure, pushing this, pushing the chain, getting it tight. And these are called the guides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be 4 guides to make sure the chain is running in a proper order. And that's the timing chain job. Now when you're doing that, there are a lot of things that you have to check while you're doing it. Check your belts, check your pulleys, check your intake system, and make sure that everything is intact. Carries a gasket here, very, very important gasket. It works on the cover. Let me show you. Right here, we have that gasket in stock. If that gasket is not good, oil and water could mix and you could get problems. When you finish change that, sometimes you have to reset, otherwise you're going to get a camshaft sensor code, right? So make sure you know to set it. There's a tool to set this. We have the tool in stock for sale for mechanics and stuff. I mean, we could lend you the tool. We have one for our shop. You could probably leave a little money and we could lend you the tool. No hard feelings, or we could give some advice how to change it if you need any assistance in changing the time and chain. So for the Ranger time and chain job, you can give us a call at Jerry Service Center, 730-9449 or 671-0713. Right, so we have some Rangers scrapping. We have the 2.2, we have the 3.2, we have the old model. We have some Frontiers and stuff scrapping. So if you need parts, you can give us a call. We have some BT52. Alright, bonnets, fenders, body parts, complete head and block, axles. This is for the T7, so we have a T7 scrapping. So if you need any parts, give us a call for Ranger parts, BT50, Frontier, used parts. This is the model BT50 that we have scrapping here. So give us a call. Jerry Service Center, Chase Village, specialist in Ranger, pickups and all 4x4s.